What's up, everybody? This is Steve from Claiming Christianity. I've been saying this a lot lately, that I don't do unboxings very often, but it seems like I've been putting a lot of unboxings out there. I'm excited about these. This one, I know what's in it. It's from Crossway. We're going to open it up right now and take a look. This one, I don't know everything that's in it. What I can tell you is that some of these Bibles, at least some of them, if not all of them, are going to be given away. A friend to this channel, to this ministry, sent these to me for that purpose, so I can give away, so I can pass them on to somebody who needs them. So that will happen sometime in the future. Without further ado, let's open up. First of all, this Crossway box. Most of them are doing this now. I feel like they didn't do it in the past, where their tape says like Crossway on it, which I like. It makes me smile. I don't know if this is how everybody, let me know down in the comments if you've ordered Crossway Bibles from other than like Amazon, because if it says Amazon, it's going to say Amazon on it. Does it have their fancy tape on there? Because I like that. You know it's showing up. Thomas Nelson does it. Lots of cool paper. Look at this box. Most of the time you open it up and the Bible sloshes around in here. This baby is no joke. This thing is amazing. Okay? So I saw this and I did an NKJV super giant print. This one has even bigger font. This is a 17-point font size, super giant print ESV Bible. This thing is massive. Oh, it's so pretty though. This is in genuine leather and is black. Look at this, my friends. I love it. Like, it's huge. This is one of those Bibles. I love it. I have some friends that need super giant print Bibles. And so I got an NKJV. I wanted to see what ESV had for you guys out there that might need a real life paper Bible. You want to be able to write in it and take notes. And one of the purposes of this channel is showing you what's out there, right? Because you can't just go to a store, especially for something like this. They're not going to carry super giant print most of the time. So we'll take a look at that Bible and what you're going to get. It looks like it retails. I don't know. It doesn't say on here. I will look that information up for you. But again, full reviews will be coming of these. Some of these in this box, again, I don't know what all of them are, but they're going to get given away. If I have not reviewed them yet, I'll do a review, and then they will get gone, because I have plenty. I want to put them in hands of people that don't have what they need. All right, so let's take a look here. So much packing. Good job packing. I'm not going to say the name of the person who donated these because they requested that. Thank you so much. What a blessing, not only to me, but the people that are going to get these passed on to them. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, compact. Dude, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are, I have wanted to put my hands on one of these for a long time, because I don't have one. This is the Psalms. So this is by ESV. I'm assuming most of these are going to be ESV. This is by Crossway, and it's a hardback cover of just the Psalms. What a cool little Bible. I love the Psalms. I'm not going to lie. The Psalms get me through some hard times, because when I don't know what else to read because I'm struggling for whatever reason, the Psalms help me out. Large print, thin line reference. This is a really nice Bible. You know how it's a really nice Bible? Because it made my list of really nice Bibles on a video that I did just recently. And I gave away a Bible just like this, like last week at the time that this video is shot. So this is getting given away because it's a great Bible. I want to put it in the hands of somebody who really needs it. Alistair Begg and his group, Truth for Life, is putting these out at a really great price. So you can watch the full review on it. It's in the Bible review list down there. But this is the ESV large print thin line reference Bible. Really nice Bible. I'm excited to give that one away at some point in the future. So keep your eye out for that. Most of these are probably going to be giveaways. Ooh, look at this. This is cool. I can tell through the packaging. This is a TCR, Thompson chain reference. Handy size. I do not have one of these little handy size. I have the full. This is the NIV version. So I'll be giving, these are all in like new condition. Man, what a gift this was, my friend. I'm working hard to not say your name. But what a gift it is for me to be able to pass on to other people. So I will give this away too. If you're not familiar with the Thompson chain reference, I have a video on it. I'm not going to lie. I do my best to tell you about how it works, but it's not a full tutorial. You want a full tutorial. I'll see if I can find a link and put it down in the description. But Randy Brown, who does Bible reviews, Bible Review Guide, if I remember correctly, he's real into Thompson chain reference. He's got a full tutorial on how to use the TCR. So keep your eye out. Again, I'll be giving most of these away, if not all of them. Ooh, you know that I love my little compact Bible. There's 2 of them in here. We got coming out hopefully next week. The end of summer here kind of crept up on me, and we're gonna have to break out the trusty Swiss Army knife again. Nice packaging. This packaging is amazing. But we're gonna have a compact kind of showdown between this little Bible, the NKJV McLaren series compact. So I'll be giving this one away at some point. And one of the latest reviews I just did, which was a zippered Bible. Okay, so it was an NKJV personal size zippered Bible. I want to show you guys the differences, see what's going on there. Large print compact. This is an ESV large print. I wonder, I have an old Bible like this. It's like the perfect Bible. What a great, okay, so this is the perfect size little Bible here. ESV large print compact Bible, 8-point typed. I don't think I've done a review, so I'll do a review on this. Show you guys. It has, look at here. It's got my raised ridges. Man, what a day. What a day to walk out to the mail. And one last Bible in here. Let's take a look. The blue is pretty through the paper. Oh, it looks like this might be a family kids style Bible. It's NIV. And it is the Quest Study Bible, the only Q&A study Bible. Yeah, cool. I'll have to take a look through this. This will be one of the last reviews I do, because I'm going to have to really go through this and find out what the questions are, what the answers are, and all that good information. But we'll review it and get these and get at least some of them. Oh, come on now. I love my blue. I even have some friends out there on Instagram. They're like blue. Their accounts are Blue Letter Bible and Blue Bible and Little Blue Bible. So some of us love our blue Bibles. All right. Hey, what an exciting day. Again, a lot of these are going to get given away. So we'll do reviews on the ones that I do not have reviews on just yet. And until that point, most of these are going to go to you guys. We'll put them in the hands of people that need them. And we have lots of good, solid reviews and content coming out soon in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, be the Christians you claim to be.